your AI-powered side hustle. What if you could start a profitable side hustle with zero experience, and AI did most of the work? In this video, I'll show you how to launch a real AI-powered side hustle in 2025 using free tools. This is your ultimate beginner-friendly guide to extra income or escaping your 9-to-5. Step 1. Choose a side hustle that you can automate with AI. Don't start randomly. Choose something scalable and AI-friendly. Top options include an AI content agency, video script writing, or even a print-on-demand store. Step 2. Use AI tools to do 90% of the work. ChatGPT and Notion AI can help you write blogs, email copy, and product descriptions. Use Steve.AI to turn scripts into compelling faceless videos. Canva AI and Midjourney will help you design logos and eye-catching thumbnails. Printful and ChatGPT can help create and sell customized merchandise. Resume AI and Rezi allow you to offer AI-powered resume revamps for job seekers. Step 3. Set up delivery and monetization. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Cardi.co to offer your service. Add automation with Zapier or Trello to handle orders. Use Stripe or PayPal to collect payments instantly. For passive income, connect with Gumroad to sell digital products. Example: AI blog writing hustle. Use ChatGPT to write 5 blogs a week. Edit and format in Notion before selling to clients on Fiverr. Charge $50 per blog and earn $250 a week. Automate delivery using Google Drive and Zapier. Use testimonials and scale to an agency model. With the right tools, you can build a full-time income stream while AI handles the heavy lifting. Starting a side hustle used to take months. With AI, you can now launch in a weekend. You've just seen how to turn AI into your silent business partner. For content, design, and monetization, subscribe to ThinkSync for weekly tutorials like this. Let's build your AI-powered future together.